Hello, welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at the brand new Toyota Sienna SE with the technology package. This is an 8-passenger minivan in midnight black, and under the hood you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 driving on 19-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features on the Sienna includes a proximity smart key system, power sliding doors, power liftgate, and a backup camera. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It has our lock and unlock button. Like I mentioned, the Sienna does have a smart key system, so we can press these two lines on the door handle to lock the vehicle, and to unlock it's as easy as putting our hand inside the door handle here. Opening up, taking a look right inside here. On top you have your power windows, locks, power adjustable side mirrors. You do have some storage space on the bottom of the door as well. Inside, the Sienna comes equipped with black leather seating. On the bottom you'll find your power seating adjustment buttons, and on the top you also have a power moonroof. This Sienna is a push to start, so we're going to push the brake in and press the engine start button right behind the steering wheel there. Now, as always, we're going to start with the steering wheel features first. Starting on the left side, you have your audio controls, hands-free calling, and your voice recognition. On the right side, you have your Toyota safety sensors, lane departure alert, and dynamic radar cruise control. You have these arrows up top as well. This allows you to cycle through your multi-information display. Moving on to our screen here, right now we are on the home screen. On the left side, it will display any audio that's playing along with any device that's connected. Now on the right side, you have your navigation, which we can press, and that will enlarge. Of course, you can set your destination. Going into audio, of course, you have your standard AM and FM options. You also have choices like CD, USB, and of course, you can connect your phone through Bluetooth. Going into reverse, we'll bring up that backup camera for you. Moving down below to our climate control system, it is a tri-zone or a 3-zone, so you can adjust the temperature for yourself. The passenger next to you can do so as well, and you also have this dial on the bottom for those rear passengers. Moving down below that, we have this little piece here we can press. You have 2 extra cup holders that slide out. Next to that, you'll find your driver and passenger heated seats. You also have your USB and auxiliary along with your 12-volt outlet and your BluRay player. Now, to access the back, like I mentioned, the Sienna does also have power sliding doors, so we're going to hold that third button on our key fob for that left side to open. If we take a look inside here, you can see we are continuing with the black leather seating. Behind the front passenger and driver seats, you have these little extra storage compartments. Of course, right up top, you have your BluRay screen there. The second row seats do fold down as well. There's a little handle here. We're going to pull that middle one upwards. The seats will fold flat. We can slide them forward, giving you access to your third row seating. Accessing the cargo of the Sienna is also really easy as well. So we can hold that bottom button on our key fob for that power liftgate to open. If we sneak past here, you can see even with the third row seats up, you still have plenty of storage space in the back. The third row seats do also fold down. It's as easy as just pulling on this little handle in the center here. The seats will fold all the way down, giving you that nice flat storage space. And like I mentioned, the second row seats do fold down as well. That will always give you that extra bit of room. Taking a last look at our Toyota Sienna, once again, some of those great interior features includes your navigation, power moonroof, black leather upholstery, and driver and passenger heated seats, along with a tri-zone climate control. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this video walk around. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.